Today I will complete the entire chapter. రేపటి నుంచి యాక్చువల్గా ఒక రివిజన్ తీసుకుంటాను నేను. Today I will complete the entire chapter. So, as most of the students got most of the students are having a mid-year exam. Anuja, are you in 10th class or I think you are doing engineering, if I am not wrong, Anuja? Is that Anuja or some other Anuja? Okay. So anyhow, today I will be completing triangles chapter. So in this there are two important theorems. Theorem number very important theorems. Okay. Agar there kucho. Two important theorems are there, very important theorems, and definitely you are going to get this in your examination. Okay, so that I am going to teach you today. It is I don't know whether it is given like a theorem or not, but definitely it is like a theorem only. It is 7.3 theorem and 7.2 theorem, two theorems. Okay. So I have one Anuja. She is studying in engineering college, engineering 4th year. I thought that Anuja. Anyhow, 7.2 theorem. It is in the your textbook only. The theorem, every theorem you will have some steps. What is that? Statement you have to write. And after that, after drawing the diagram, you should write given and then RTP and then construction, if any, and proof. So these are the steps of every theorem. Good petkona. Statement, given, RTP, construction, and proof. So in this theorem, angles opposite to equal sides are angles opposite to equal sides are equal. That means he added one more word also. I did not write that word. Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle. Okay, of a triangle. He has added isosceles triangle. I did not add that. Okay, I have just written the same statement. Angles opposite to equal sides in a triangle are equal. That means let us draw a triangle. ABC is the triangle. Now as per the statement, I am drawing the diagram. Okay. So now angles opposite to equal sides, that means sides are equal, two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. Okay. So now angles opposite to these two equal sides B and C are equal. That means given in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. That is given, equal sides. And opposite to AB and AC, that means angle B is equal to angle C. This is what we require to prove. Okay. Vedika, good evening. So please open your book and write this theorem. Okay. So B is equal to C. That means these two angles you have to prove them equal. Now for this we have to take a construction. Right now we have read only two theorems, that means two congruency rules, SAS and ASA. These two things are over. Now we will take in such a way, draw AD such that AD is a bisector of angle A. So draw angle bisector of angle A. That means that is AD. AD is the angle bisector. So angle bisector means these two angles are equal. If one is equal to 2, that is our construction. Now let us take a proof. Now there are two triangles formed. That side is one triangle and this side is one triangle. Let us take those two triangles. In triangle ADB and triangle ADC. These two triangles we have taken. Evaru? Madam ekada? Okay. So let us list out equal parts. Whatever we know equal parts, let us list out. అంటే మనకి ఏవైతే తెలుసునో అవన్నీ మనం లిస్ట్ అవుట్ చేసేద్దాం. ఓకే. సో AB is equal to, because in this AB is equal to AC, you write that first. AB is equal to AC. Why? It is given. And angle 1 is equal to 2. Angle 1 is equal to 2 because this is our construction. And AD is equal to AD, common. In both the triangles, AD is there common. Tarun, are you able to understand? Ardhamautunda? Three parts. So AB is equal to AC, angle 1 is equal to 2 and AD is AD. So therefore, triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC. So this is by which property? SAS congruency rule. Okay. So then CBCT, angle B is equal to angle C. This is a CBCT. So this is what we wanted to prove. RTP means required to prove angle B is equal to angle C. This is what we wanted to prove. Okay. So this is a proof 7.2 theorem. In the example in textbook, what it is given? Yeah, he also given bisector of A only. Okay. So you can do the same theorem in the other way also, right? So shall I rub it? I will rub it. Okay. Otherwise I will go to another question. 7.2 theorem is over. 7.3 theorem. This is converse of 7.2. Converse means, say given RTP will interchange. Converse ante ఈ B is equal to C పైకి వెళ్తుంది, ఇది కిందకి వస్తుంది. సో ఇక్కడ యాంగిల్స్ సైడ్స్ అవుతాయి, సైడ్స్ యాంగిల్స్ అవుతాయి. సో దెన్ sides opposite to equal angles are equal. So that is a theorem. In a triangle, what is this is angles, no? So sides in a triangle, sides opposite to equal angles are equal. You can add in isosceles triangle also as per the textbook. So now for this also you need to draw the diagram. I am drawing with free hand. I advise all the students you have to draw the diagram using pencil and also using pencil and scale. So now given, let us start given in triangle ABC. So we have started, and equal angles, that means angle B is equal to angle C. That means angle B is equal to angle C. Now what is RTP? Sides opposite to these two sides, sides opposite to these two are equal. So what are the sides opposite to these two? AB and AC. Opposite to B is AC, opposite to C is AB. So AB is equal to AC. So for this also we will take a construction. We need to take a construction to apply congruency rule. Okay. Now you can have a perpendicular AD, because in this you cannot apply S. We don't know any sides are equal or not. Previously we know that there are two sides equal, but in this no sides equal, we don't know. So we have to depend on one more, AAS or ASA. So now draw AD perpendicular to BC. That means both angles are 90 degrees. Perpendicular means 90 degrees. So now proof in triangle ADB and in triangle ADC, these two triangles. Okay. So now you list out three parts. What are equal in this? Angle B is equal to angle C. Very good. Angle B is equal to angle C. This is given. And 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. I let ADB complete angle. ADB is equal to ADC is equal to 90 degrees, because AD is perpendicular to BC. And what is side? Which is equal? AD is common. AD is equal to AD, and some books AD is equal to DA they will write. It's okay. AD, DA both are same. So now this is angle, side, angle, side, angle, side. So we have a ASA and we have AAS also. This ASA also, the corollary of ASA is AAS. So now both the triangles ADB is congruent to triangle ADC by AAS congruency rule. So now two triangles are congruent. So therefore by CPCT, AB is equal to AC by CPCT. This is what we wanted to prove. AB is equal to AC. Both the theorems are same, but just converse. So this is the converse of 7.2 theorem, and otherwise 7.2 is the converse of this theorem. Both are converse to each other. Converse ante idi converse avvachu, adi converse avvachu. So this is these two theorems are very, very important. Now let me give you two more rules. What are two more rules? Till now I have given you SAS congruency rule. This is first rule. Second rule, we have learned ASA congruency rule criteria. In this corollary given, that is AAS congruency rule. These two we have learned. Now SSS congruency rule. This I am going to give you now, this because this we have to know. Triple S, three sides of one triangle are equal to three sides of another triangle, then both the triangles are congruent by SSS congruency criteria. Again I will tell you, okay, 3 sides of one triangle are equal to 3 sides of one more triangle, then both the triangles are congruent. Again I will tell you, okay, 3 sides of one triangle are equal to 3 sides of another triangle, then both the triangles are congruent. Can anybody repeat?
3 sides of one triangle equal to 3 sides of another triangle.
Then
3 sides of
no, then both the triangles are congruent by SSS congruency criteria or rule. Okay, you want to tell? Okay, so this is a congruency rule. I will draw the diagram for you. This is ABC, a triangle, and PQR is one more triangle. I'm drawing just roughly. So AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, and AC is equal to PR. That means all the 3 sides are equal. 1, AB is equal to PQ, 2, BC is equal to QR, and 3, AC is equal to PR. Therefore, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by triple-S congruency rule. So, this is a third rule, triple-S, SSS rule. Okay. So, you can draw this diagram and you can learn it, right? I am not working on how it is to be proved. ये कैसा prove करना है, I am not working. So, now fourth rule, I am rubbing this, you can draw by yourself also. Fourth rule is RHS congruency, RHS congruency rule. This also we are going to do. Total 4 rules and 1 corollary. So, the corollary is AAS. Now, what RHS will give us, let us see. RHS means there should be 2 right angle triangles, right triangles. Okay. So, 2 right triangles, ABC is a right angle triangle and PQR is a right angle triangle. In both the triangles, right angle is there. This R means right angle. Okay, this H means hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. So now hypotenuses are equal, and this S is nothing but side. Now after hypotenuse, these 2 hypotenuses are equal. So then what is left? 2 sides are left, AB, BC. Here PQ and QR. Any one pair should be equal because R is over, इधर right angle है, इधर भी right angle है. Hypotenuse is also over, इधर एक hypotenuse, दोनों hypotenuses are equal. Now if I can write BC is equal to QR. Oh, I wrote so many QR. So I will write it. That means angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to 90 degrees. This is R. This is first part. Second pair of parts. Hypotenuse AC is equal to PR. This is hypotenuse. And third one, BC is equal to QR. This is a side. So therefore, by these 3 equal parts, we can say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by RHS congruency rule. In the examination, he may be giving you define RHS congruency rule, explain it with a triangle, with a diagram. You have to define it and you have to draw 2 figures and you have to list out 3 equal parts and you have to write like this. This is definition plus explanation. Same way I have done for SSS also. Okay. So now with this all the theory part is completed. Now we are left with only one exercise. So that exercise also I am going to do now. Okay. So this is 7.2 exercise, no? We have finished yesterday, right? Now we have to go to 7.3 exercise. This is 7.3 exercise. So it was very difficult for my audience and my children also to read it. So then what I have done, I have taken the snapshot of the textbook and I have written. I hope you are able to read it. And there is a beautiful diagram also. So now ABC, DBC. So here we are getting ABC, big triangle, and DBC, inside triangle. They are isosceles triangles, okay, on the same base. So both isosceles triangles are on the same base BC, okay. So what I will do, I will show it. I hope you are able to see, my dear children. This is base. BC is the base, and ABC, that means these two sides are equal, and these two sides are also equal. That means two isosceles triangles are there on the same base. Okay, show that ABD, let us take red color. Okay, so ABD is congruent to ACD. That means AD is extended and went. So ABD, where is ABD? This is ABD and this is ABD. Okay, ADC, ABD and ACD should be congruent. Now if you observe these two things, two equal marks are there. These two sides are equal, these two sides are equal. We don't know about the angle. ये एंगल के बारे में भी मालूम नहीं है. ये एंगल equal or not we don't know, and these two angles are equal or not I don't know, we don't know, and these two also we don't know. We don't know about the angles. So now we have to find out. Let us start from inside triangle. In triangle, in triangle BDC. Okay, so BD is equal to CD. Therefore, angles are equal. Let us say this is X and this is X. Okay, X is equal to X. Angle X is equal to angle X. This is by theorem. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay, this is BDC. Now you take triangle ABC. I am not giving step by step proof. I am not giving step by step proof. I am just giving I am explaining it. So now let us say this is Y and this is also Y, right? So then what happens? Angle B is equal to angle C. That means X plus Y is equal to X plus Y, right? So here also same thing. So B is a total X plus Y and X plus Y. So then if you take these two triangles now, that means triangle ADB and triangle ADC. Now list out equal parts. Tell me what are the equal parts in these two triangles, because we have to prove ABD, ACD. That means these two triangles are congruent. So now tell me what are the equal parts. AB is equal to AC. Okay. And BD is equal to CD. AD you can take common. AD is equal to AD. There is no need of this. Therefore, triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC by SSS congruency rule. You can take Y also, SAS also we can take, or you can take the side also. So this is first one is over. Then what is ABP? ABP and ACP, these two triangles are also, we have to prove them equal. Okay. So then how? Congruent. So by CPCT you have to take in this these two in this BP is equal to CP, or you can have PD equal sides. Let us write out in triangle ABP and triangle ACP. List out equal parts. What is the first equal part? ABP. AB is equal to AC. And AP is equal to AP. This is also given. Side and this is side. And how BP is equal to CP? This is how. Okay. This we will keep it pending. We don't know whether this is equal or not. We will keep it pending. But these two angles are equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 CPCT. We have proved these two triangles, na? ADP and ADC. So here CPCT angle 1 is equal to 2. So this we can write here. So then which property, tell me, by which property? AB, side and angle. Check whether this angle is in between these two sides. Yes. Therefore, triangle ABP is congruent to triangle ACB by SAS congruency rule. So this is also over. And AP bisects A. As 1 is equal to 2, as 1 is equal to 2, AP is the bisector of A. And also D. And AP is perpendicular bisector. That means you find out these two angles. These two also, 3 is equal to 4. I will do here in this corner. 3 is equal to angle 3 is equal to angle 4 CPCT. Either say CPCT. So, but 3 plus 4 is how much? 180 degrees. Linear pair. But these two are equal. 3 and 4 are equal. So, that implies angle 3 is equal to angle 4 is equal to 90 degrees. So, AP is perpendicular to BC. ఈ రెండు యాంగిల్స్ ఈక్వల్ కదా, బట్ రెండు కలిపితే 180 కదా. లీనియర్ పేర్ హై, దిస్ ఈజ్ లీనియర్ పేర్ కదా, lines and angles. So, but 3 and 4 are equal. Therefore, 3 is equal to 4 is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. So, last one. So, AP is perpendicular and AP is bisector. Therefore, AP is the perpendicular bisector. Okay. Now, let us go to another slide. Close. Next question. Shall we stop here? We'll continue. We'll complete this. All chota chinna problems. This exercise we'll continue. We'll finish off today. So AD is the altitude of an isosceles triangle. We have to draw isosceles triangle. Okay. AD is an altitude of isosceles triangle. You draw an isosceles triangle A, B, C, and where AB is equal to AC. Okay, AB is equal to AC, and AD is the altitude. If you draw AD here, AD is altitude, means 90 degrees. So this is 90 degrees and this is also 90 degrees. And show that AD bisects BC. AD bisects BC means we have to show BD is equal to, that means BD is equal to CD we have to prove. And AD bisects angle A, that means 1 is equal to 2. You have to prove here 1 is the angle 1 is equal to 2. If angle 1 is equal to 2, then AD bisects A. If BD is equal to CD, then AD bisects BC. So now take in triangles ADB, E side triangle, O side triangle తీసుకోండి, ADB and triangle ADC. List out equal parts. AB is equal to AC. No, we don't know. We have to prove 90 degrees. Angle ADB is equal to angle ADC is equal to 90 degrees. Given. This is given. And AD is equal to AD. So this is right angle and this is hypotenuse and this is side. I did not write them in the line. So by which property? RHS. Therefore, triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC by RHS. Therefore, BD is equal to CD CPCT and angle 1 is equal to angle 2 CPCT. So because BD is equal to CD, AD bisects BC. Because 1 is equal to 2, AD bisects angle A. Okay, so that implies that implies ikkada kendra rasesaను, that implies AD bisects, I will write here, that implies AD first the AD bisects BC, AD bisects BC and AD bisects angle A. This is 1 and this is 2. This is 1 and this is 2. By CPCT we got these two, no? So that is what. So over. I will save it. So next. Third question. Only 5 questions are there. Now second question is like isosceles triangle only. And this is a figure also given 7.40. Okay, and two sides AB BC. Okay, median AM of one triangle are respectively equal to other triangle. Then ABM is congruent to PQN and ABC is congruent to ABM. Oh, ఇది వచ్చేసిందండి clean. So these two triangles you have to take. Now in the diagram itself you can see in the diagram AB is equal to PQ, BM is equal to QN and AM is equal to PN. So these two triangles, by which property they are congruent? SSS. So first one is done. So therefore angle B is equal to angle Q है ना. Angle B is equal to angle Q. CBCD. Because we have to prove ABC is congruent to PQR. So in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, థర్డ్ ఏమీ అర్థం కావట్లేదు కదా, రాసుకుంటే అర్థం అవుతుంది, అలా ఖాళీగా కూర్చుంటే అర్థం కాదు. వచ్చిందో వస్తే యూ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ఇట్. బుక్ ఏది, టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఏది? యూ హ్యావ్ టు హ్యావ్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ ఆల్సోనా. So you should have a textbook, you should have a pencil, you should have a scale, you should have a tuition notebook, all these things. Then only you will get all these things. ఏది మిస్ అయినా సరే నీకు రాదు. So you have to prove ABC is equal to PQR. Now AB is equal to PQ. Angle B is equal to Q. Right? And because BM is equal to CM, no, BM is equal. So BC is equal to QR. Therefore, by SAS, these two triangles are congruent. Okay? So, this is a save చేయడం వేస్ట్ కదా ఇది. క్లీన్. B and CF are two equal altitudes of the triangle. I will do this question. Otherwise, it's becoming late, na? We will only do sums. We will see tomorrow. Same time, online class will be there. But I am going to revise all the topics, fast revision. Okay? See you in tomorrow's live class. ఫోన్ చేస్తావా? ఆకలిస్తుందా?